The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, operational tactical and army aviation and artillery of the Zapad group of forces inflicted a fire damage on the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Rozovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Timkovka, Sinkovka, Krakhmalnoye and Pershatravnevoye in Kharkov region. More than 30 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery gun and 1 D-20 howitzer have been eliminated. Moreover, an ammunition depot of the 67th Mechanized Brigade was destroyed close to Staritsa in Kharkov region. In the Krasny Liman direction, operational tactical and army aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center group of forces hit units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic, Torskoye, Terny and Serebryanka in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy has suffered losses of over 120 Ukrainian troops, 5 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery gun and 1 D-20 howitzer. Moreover, an ammunition depot of the 66th Mechanized Brigade was destroyed close to Novolubovka in Lugansk People's Republic. In the Donetsk direction, units, operational tactical aviation and artillery of the Yug group of forces have eliminated over 290 Ukrainian troops, 5 armored fighting vehicles, 4 motor vehicles, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system, as well as some Sta-B and D-20 howitzers over the past 24 hours. An ammunition depot of the 54th Mechanized Brigade was destroyed close to Kramatorsk in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense systems have shot down 2 HIMARS projectiles during the day. Moreover, 11 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down close to Naugalnoye, Chernopopovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Tokarevka in Kharkov region, Veseloye, Peski, Blagoveshchenka and Opetnoye in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 406 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,727 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,608 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,078 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,554 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,414 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, the armed forces of Ukraine reported that Russia lost 500 servicemen within a day, including 7 tanks, 10 armored vehicles, 15 artillery units and 1 helicopter. In total, Russia lost 179,320 troops since the start of the conflict, including 3,544 tanks, 7,038 armored personnel carriers, 2,765 artillery units, as well as 307 fighter jets, 293 helicopters and 2,332 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 412 days. There is still no agreement between two sides. The Ukrainian military also released footage of its troops destroying Russian fortifications in the Novopavlovsk direction. Accurate hits of 60mm and 82mm mortars destroyed machine gun, AGS and RPG positions with ammunition. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky thanked all friendly countries that have not stopped helping Ukraine expel the Russian occupiers. The world order will be broken if Russia wins here, says Zelensky.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.